accumulated another set of 1,500 passports collected from various embassies in Kampala, Chinese embassy, Turkish embassy, and others. Ugandans who applied for visas in these countries, some of them were even given visas, but they did not pick their passports. We have the passports, 1,500 passports. We have learned that some of these passports were sent there by some tour and travel companies, which later on abandoned the job, closed the companies, and disappeared. Maybe Skypins is one of them. So we have 1,500 passports. Some of them actually have visas in them, especially Chinese visas. I have seen even one with American visa. I've seen one passport with American visa, which is still valid. It was given 2 years. Just last week alone, for DNA services, we got 94 cases, just in 3 days, recorded, and 95% of these are men who want to find out who want to carry out paternity tests on their children. But we also have some women. 2% of these are women who want to do some DNA on their children. Then we also have 3% of these are children who are bringing their parents for DNA. So the people desirous of these services, my advice, as usual, is do not engage in DNA unless you have a very stony heart. If you don't have a strong heart, please do not, because I have seen the results. I think 98% of the people who have carried out DNA, the results have come out negative. You can now know the results. So I have always said this, that take care of the children that your wife gave you, because the others are also taking care of yours somewhere. I have always said this. Some of the applicants are complaining. The media team is always at the DNA lab, snooping. For those who go there for tests, please don't scare people who are going to do the DNA in one day. The cameramen are somewhere there, especially looking out for the prominent people who are going to do DNA tests. Please give people peace. Since the introduction of the electronic passport system in 2018, over 42,000 now. We destroyed the other time 60,000 passports collected from Chambogo. We have now accumulated other 42,000. And now this is my first call to those applicants who applied, paid, and had their passports processed, but failed to pick them for one reason or the other. They are lying in Chambogo, and we do not have space for such passports. So the owners are urged to retrieve their passports from designated centers, including Chambogo, regional offices like Mbale, Mbarara, Gulu, Jinja, Masaka, Fort Poto, Arua, Hoima, Masindi, and Lira. Nino kuongerako kino kikulu. Tetugenda kuwa passport bano betwakwata nga bagezaako okufuna passport ye Uganda kyokka nga balina passport z'amawanga amalala.